So in today's video, we're going to talk about the 5 things that you can add to water to help you lose weight so quick. And along the line, I'm going to teach you so many amazing things that you might not have known that is going to help you lose the weight so quick. And somewhere in this video, I'm going to give you a gift, okay? I'm not going to tell you where in the video, but the gift I'm going to give you is the list of all the foods that you can eat to help you burn fat so quick. So you staying through this video, not only are you really going to learn stuff, but you're also going to get that gift for free, so you know the foods that you should eat every single day to help you burn the fat so quick. And I would really appreciate it if you could take just 2 seconds, literally just 2 seconds out of your time, just to leave a like on this video, like it right now, just for 2 seconds. That's all I ask for you, for giving you all this information. So back to the topic on today, where I'm going to give you 5 ingredients that you can put in water every single day to help you lose weight so quick. So to start with, water itself, yeah, it's something that if you're trying to lose weight, you should take very serious. Like, people think it's all about the diets, people think it's all about the workout, but most of the time, hydration is key, yeah. If you're trying to lose weight a lot, if you're trying to sweat it out a lot, most of the things that you have to do is to drink a lot of water. Not only does it help you, sweat out fat when you work out and things like that, but then it also makes your body function properly to be able to cleanse out all the toxins from your system to help you lose the weight so quick. Okay, so this video is in line with flat tummy teas and things like that. Okay, there are a lot of things like that on the market. There are a lot of flat tummy teas on the market, and I'm always saying that if you're going to go with flat tummy tea, I always suggest that you do it at home. And I'm going to give my reasons. This is because a lot of the ingredients that are used in making this flat tummy tea, their potency tend to reduce when they add all these chemicals, all these additives, all these preservatives to make them last long. So if you're in your house and you have your own settings, just make sure that you can do your own flat tummy tea at home. That way you are very assured that you have the right dosage, the right potency of the flat tummy tea. And that's what we're going to talk about. I'm going to give you 5 things, yeah, that you can add to water every single day to help you lose weight so quick. So the first thing that you can add, I'm sure a lot of you know this already, is lemon or lime. Okay, it doesn't really matter. The only difference between lemon and lime is that lime is more of the concentrated, big brother to lemon. I think lemon is I think orange and lime came together one day and they decided to meet, and then they formed lemon. That's how I see lemon to be. So the first thing that you need to do, the first thing that you can add to your water every single day to help you lose weight is lime or lemon. Okay, so all you have to do is that you wake up, what you do is that you just slice the lime into half, you use half of it, and then you squeeze it into water, maybe this much of water. It should be warm water, that really helps, and you can drink it first thing in the morning every single day. So what something like this does, it helps boost your metabolism. Okay, that's the point of lime water in the morning. It's not like it's a magic drink that all of a sudden when you drink it one time you're going to burn all the fat. The point of the lemon in water is to help spark up your metabolism, is to help make your body be in that fat burning zone. So we move to number 2. What is the second thing that you can add from your house to make you lose weight so quick just by mixing it with water? Can you guess? Okay, I don't know what you guess, but it's apple cider vinegar. Okay, and with the lemon, it's a bit tricky because there's some people that have ulcer and things like that. So the pH of lemon is quite high. So if you're someone that, let's say you have ulcer, lemon might not be your friend. Lemon might not be your friend. I would let you know what you can swap lemon with somewhere in the video. But the next thing that you can add to water to help you lose the weight is apple cider vinegar. You see, and with apple cider vinegar, you don't even need that much. You don't really need that much. And if you're buying the apple cider vinegar too, try as much as possible to buy the organic apple cider vinegar. You understand? Don't go and buy the ones that look all fancy and are not organic. Try as much as possible to look on the label and look for the one that they've written organic, and go for the organic apple cider vinegar. The dosage when it comes to apple cider vinegar is that you have to add just a little bit. Okay, it's also really strong. So you get a teaspoon. Okay, a teaspoon is the small spoon, not the big one. Like the really, really small one. That's a teaspoon. You get a teaspoon. You just pour 1 teaspoon of that, and then you put it in this much amount of water every morning, warm water, and then you drink it. You can drink it before you work out, or you can drink it if you're not even working out in the morning. Okay, one thing that helps is that when you do that with intermittent fasting, like you do your slim tea or your flat time tea in the morning, and then you fast till, let's say, 1 or 2 before you have your main meal of the day. Oh, trust me, you're definitely going to see like a lot of results. So try as much as possible to do 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar into the water and add it to your routine every morning. Okay, so we move to the third thing. You see, initially I was telling you about how some people have like issues when they take in lemon. Some people have stomach problems when they take in lime as well. It's because they have things like ulcer, and then the pH level of the lemon or the lime does not, do well with their tummy, like the lining of the stomach. So one thing that you can use to swap that is green tea leaves. Green tea leaves or actual green tea. And like I was telling you, it all comes down to the same thing. There are so many green tea brands in the market, and I know people are going to ask, oh, what type, what one specifically? The goal about all of these ingredients is to try as much as possible to go with as organic and as natural things as possible. That is the trick here. You have to like try as much as possible to go with as organic and as natural things as possible. So even with the green tea, look on the label. Look for the ones that are more organic. The more organic they are, the better. And with that one, to the same thing, you have some warm water in the morning. You can put your green tea in. It's just for like 5 minutes for it to like sit and release all the juices into it. You can actually put it in for more. Let me not limit you to 5 minutes. You can actually put it in for more, because I know people that put their green tea in the fridge overnight, and then in the morning, by that time, like the juices have really come out of it. And that's another thing too that you can add to your water every single morning to help you lose weight so quick. Okay, next thing too that you can add is coffee, like dark coffee, like natural, not like 3-in-1 mix or Tim Hortons or Nescafe. No, like actual raw coffee, black coffee. Preferably you don't add sugar, because what we are trying to do is spark up because what we are trying to do here is to spark up our metabolism. We're not really looking to come and add excess calories in the morning. We're just trying to spark up our metabolism, give us a little bit of a boost in the morning to help us lose the weight so quick. So with the coffee, you can add that one too as well, with some warm water in the morning, and then you drink. And I'm telling you, like, if you try to intermittent fast with the things that I'm showing you, like, trust me, you're definitely going to see results. Like, you do intermittent fasting in the morning, meaning you just drink your green tea and warm water, or you just drink your apple cider and warm water, you just drink your dark coffee and warm water. Things like this are really going to spark up your metabolism. So once your body is like in spark mode, if you have the time to work out, take advantage of that. If you don't have the time to work out, that's fine. As long as you're like intermittently fasting, you put your body in a fat burning mode. You see, when you intermittent fast, what happens is that it's like your body needs energy, yeah? And when your body goes into your stomach and your body doesn't find any food in your stomach, it still needs the energy, and fat is energy. So it goes into your fat reserves and it taps into your fat reserves. That's what it does. And that's where it starts drawing all the fats out of the reserves, and then it uses that as energy. That's the point of intermittent fasting. These drinks that I was talking to you about earlier on, they just really help kickstart your metabolism and help you burn the fat so quick. All right, next thing you can add to water to help you lose weight so quick, I'm gonna give you 2 seconds to take a wild guess. Ginger. Guys, like ginger, like the spicier the ginger, the better. And all the things that we're talking about, try as much as possible to avoid sugar. This is not a fancy drink. This is something that you're drinking to serve a purpose for you. So try as much as possible to avoid sugar. So you can blend some ginger in the morning, and then you can add it to warm water. And with the ginger, see, when you blend it, you know the chaff and things that comes in the ginger, like, do not throw it away. I know it's a lot to swallow, like it's a lot to like trying to like swallow the whole ginger thing, but try as much as possible not to throw the ginger raw veggies away. You know why? Because it's really high in fiber. It's so high in fiber, trust me. So when you blend it, you put it in the warm water, you add everything that you have to add, which is literally nothing, just the warm water and the ginger. You drink the juice of the ginger, and then you chew the fiber and you swallow it. It might be tough, but the good, like, trust me, like, it might be tough, but the good things it's going to do for you, oh, you'll be surprised. People don't know this, but if you're trying to lose weight, you need as much fiber content in your system as possible. That is for people that are serious. So don't think about the taste, just do what you have to do, and you're actually going to see the weight loss go. So I told you earlier on somewhere in the video that I was going to give you a gift, yeah? And the gift is all the foods that you have to eat to help you lose weight. All the food that you have to eat to help you lose. I'm just going to give it to you for free, okay? All you have to do is that when you're done with this video, just check in the, what's the name of that place? The description section below. You see a link, and just click on the link and you're going to get the PDF, okay? I made another whole video on step by step on how to do a flat tummy tea at home, all right? So it's going to make your work easier. So if you have time, click on, I should be in one of these videos. And if you haven't, subscribe to the channel ASAP for more videos like this.